What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is David Ochola. In case you're new here, this is Wardrobe Chronicles, and on this channel we get to talk about style, grooming and manners. So if you want to change from being this guy to being this guy, you should hit that subscribe button right now for more videos like this one, because every week we have a new video, so consider subscribing. So today's video will be a bit different because I will show you items that I got at 100 bob that absolutely look more expensive than they cost me. So the first thing I got at 100 bob is this watch. It's a really nice casual watch. It's very minimalist. I really like it because of course it's minimalist, it's black, it's masculine, and it's something I can wear with very many different things. I can dress it up a bit, I can dress it down to some extent. And the reason I liked it is because it's black and the screen is white. So there's that beautiful contrast, and then the details of red, and it glows in the dark. So it's something that I really think was a steal for the price point that I bought it at. It's a really good pickup. So I'm sure you're asking where I got it. Honestly, I got this just outside Ambassador. There's people who sell watches at night. So I had one of the guys shouting 100 bob for a watch, and I had to check it out. Of course, it's not built to last you forever because the straps are not that strong, but they're beautiful. They're really well done. The second thing I bought at 100 bob that absolutely looks very, very expensive, and it will not just be one item, it will be a number of items, 3 ties. The reason I love these ties is because number one, texture for this one. I can wear it with very many different things because of the different colors it has. It has a bit of black, a bit of blue, a bit of brown and a bit of green, so I can mix it up every so often and wear it with very many different things. I bought this tie specifically to wear with this particular blazer because of the lapel size. You should always match your lapel size to your tie. The other tie I got at 100 bob, actually I didn't buy this tie, my dad bought it for me. And I really like this tie because it's versatile and it looks really, really good. It's something that you can wear with so many things and you'll still look as exclusive and as good as you can with any other outfit. So it also has some mixed colors. It has maroon, it has brown, it has gray and a bit of blue. So it's a really, really good tie for wearing with very many different things, especially my wardrobe, which is majorly blue and gray. So that's a good pickup I got. The last tie I got at 100 bob is this one. I got this tartan tie from the guy who sells me ties at 100 bob. It's a really good tie, and it's also a wide tie as far as the size is concerned. So I wear it with a blazer like this one, which has huge lapels. It goes really well. It makes it look very exclusive. It also has a preppy look. A preppy look is a schoolish look. So it's a really good pickup for 100 bob. So the other thing that I got at 100 bob, and this is a surprise, a very big surprise, is this blazer. Yes, I got this blazer at around 100 bob or maximum 150, but I think it was 100 bob. I love the fit this blazer has, and I love the color. I love the fact that I can wear it with so many different things. I can wear it with black, I can wear it with gray, I can wear it with green, I can wear it with blue. It's a perfect and ideal blazer for various situations. I can also dress it up with a tie, I can dress it down with a t-shirt like I am right now. So it was a really good pickup for me because at that price point, it's really, really difficult to get things that look good. So the main reason I bought it is because it has these patched pockets that are really good and they give it a casual feel, and it has an overall old school vibe, which I really like. The last thing I'd like to show you guys is this blazer. The main reason I got this blazer is because it has a ticket pocket and it has hacking pockets, or rather hack pockets. Hacking pockets. They're not as straight as other blazers, and the overall texture this blazer has is really amazing. Of course, the fitting cost me a little. Fitting cost me 500 bob, so it cost me like 600 bob to get this blazer up and running. So the whole point of this video is to show you that you can dress well on a budget, buy versatile things, buy unique things, buy things that you can wear over and over again in different ways. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. Those will really go a long way to help build your wardrobe. You look absolutely amazing in whatever you wear, as long as it fits right and it's unique. If you like this video, be sure to drop us a like down below. I'd really, really appreciate it. Thank you so much for stopping by.